Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So right now we're starting a bit different because we're gonna do a bit of DIY work. This is Project Jimny and it hasn't been featured in my channel for a while. And right now it's actually dead because the battery is dead. So we're gonna be unboxing the new battery that we're gonna be putting onto Project Jimny. It's actually a high performance battery. It's a lightweight lithium battery, and I think we might put the same thing in Project GR Yaris next time. So come take a look at this high quality battery. So here is the box of the battery that we will be unboxing. It says here Light Ion, that is the brand. So thank you to our friends in Auto Plus, si Uncle Carlos and si Luis. So shout out to you guys. If you guys want this, you can get this from them. This is the P40 Light Ion battery. Light Ion means lithium ion. So it has 600cc and here are the features. So yeah, let's open it and show you guys what it looks like. Wow, so it's reflectorized there. So as you can see, there's a digital gauge here because since it's a lithium ion lightweight battery, you can just press this button to turn it on. There you go. And you can switch it off when you're not using the car for a long period. So it has a handle and it's pretty lightweight. Let us put it here just to see how much it weighs. And for this battery, it's less than 10 pounds. So that's really light for a battery. So here is Project Jimny with the dead battery. So we're going to be taking this off and we're going to be weighing that in comparison to the light ion battery.
A few minutes later.
We have finally taken off the stock battery, guys, and let me show you the weight. Here is the stock battery and it is very heavy. Look at the weight. 25 pounds, guys. Meanwhile, this light ion battery only weighs 9 pounds. So that's how much you're saving just from a battery. So here it is, guys, the Light Ion P40 installed on the Project Jimny. So this is 16 pounds lighter than the stock battery. So here is the moment of truth. We're gonna press this button to turn it on like that, and then my dad is gonna go in Project Jimny to see if it's gonna start. Wow! One click start.
Light Ion, the best.
Alright. We are back to regular programming, back to GR Yaris content. So here are the boxes that we will be unboxing. So let's start with the small ones first. So let us start with this one, guys. This is an OEM Toyota genuine part. So it says here wheel hub center cap. So this is the TRD center cap. Let's open it.
See, it's original.
So it's an original part. This is from the US. Yeah. So this is the TRD center cap, which you can put on the GR Yaris. So let me show you guys. So on the regular GR Yaris, it's just a Toyota badge. But with this one, you can replace that and it's gonna become TRD. This is available in Peter's Garage. So just send the DM if you want to order. So next up, guys, are these two small boxes that look like carbon fiber. Wow. So for this box, let us open it. Oh, so there's a TRD card. Okay, oh. So it's a TRD key fob holder. Genuine TRD key fob holder. So this one is genuine carbon fiber. So let's open the case to see what's inside. So the material is leather and it comes with a small chain inside which you can attach to your GR Yaris key, because the key has that small ring which you can attach there so that it doesn't get lost, and you put the key inside and you just close it. Perfect fit. We're gonna try closing the case with the T-carbon case on the key. So we're not sure if it's gonna close, but we will show you if it can be done. So I think, guys, it's not gonna work if you have a T-carbon case, because the zipper, the back of the zipper will constantly be rubbing against the T-carbon case. But of course, if you don't have this T-carbon carbon fiber case, then you can always use this. And this is genuine TRD.
Yeah.
So here's another one, guys, but this one has the red accent on the side. So here it is, side by side, black versus red. That's a carabiner with also red accents on the side. Cool product from TRD. So let's move on to this FedEx box. So unfortunately, we have to destroy the box. So here it is. It's the DT UK performance tuning box. There you go. So I guess this is the tuning box because I can see the silhouette. This is the OBD adapter, and then here's the wires. So yeah, if you want to see more of this, you can just look it up in their website. So what we can confirm here is that what is on their website is basically what you get. You get big gains with this one, I heard. So guys, last but definitely not the least is this. It's the biggest box of them all. It's actually open already, so we'll just show you guys what's inside. Maybe you guys have already seen this online. This is a genuine Toyota part made by Gazoo Racing. This is the cover below your engine. It's the cooling tray. Toyota OEM part. You definitely need this if you're gonna go to the track and do some hot laps. My dad wants to open this one, so yeah, let's go open it and see what's inside. There you go.
Oh.
So this is the DT UK tuning box for the GR Yaris. Pretty cool. Everything that we've unboxed, guys. Here is the genuine Toyota cooling under tray for the GR Yaris. And here are the genuine carbon fiber key fob cases from TRD. And then we have the DT UK tuning box straight from UK. And then we have the TRD center cap straight from US. Oh, and let's not forget, we also installed the Li-ion battery in Project Jimny. That's it for this week's episode of the unboxing. We hope you guys enjoyed. All of these parts, again, are all available for order in Peter's Garage. That's my dad's page. So link is in the description if you want to order your parts. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time. See you.